Photos is last attribute to review that can be added to event and note records. Like its name indicates, photo attributes are photos that can be attached to a record to enhance its content. Photos are added to a record when the record is created or edited in the record management window using the Photos subview. To add a new photo, click on the plus button. A window will open from which you can browse your photo albums and select the desired photo or picture. You can edit the photo name if you want to do so. If your photo size is large, it will impact the size of your timeline file and can potentially slow down the operation of the application. When that is the case, you can use the compress feature on that subview to compress the size of the photo before it is attached to the record and saved to the file. The photo subview contains a space where the attached photo will be displayed. You can open the photo in a separate and larger window by clicking on the Enlarge button. You can delete a photo by selecting the photo to delete and then clicking on the minus button. You can also edit a photo by selecting it and then clicking on the Edit button. Records with photo attributes are displayed with a camera icon next to the record date. Right-clicking on that icon will pop up a window that displays the attached photos. If more than one photo is attached to the record, arrows are provided to navigate through the photos. Like with the record management window, an enlarge button is provided that will display an enlarged view of the photo in a separate window.